Hey folks, I'm going to install my hitch on the back of my van, and I'm going to do that right now. I don't know if I'm going to videotape the whole thing because it's difficult to try to install this and videotape it at the same time, and I really can't get the right angle. So I'm just going to, if I have time to take shots in between I will, but I'm just going to install this hitch right now. Probably take pictures afterwards. Okay, so I got this bolted on this side. I lifted it up. I have it sitting on a box. I screwed in these two bolts now, and I'm going to move to the other side and finish up on the other two bolts. Alright. I don't know if you're getting any of this. It's hard to thread, even though I have it hold, and it's being held up by a box and the other two bolts on the other side. I'm having a little trouble with this other one. And I don't want to strip the bolt. So you got to be careful. You can't force it. I had used WD-40 on these to clean them out. Oh boy. Alright. So, the bolts are loosely in. I just have to tighten them down now. They're in on that side. Alright. Okay. Alright, so right now I'm just going back and forth and tightening the bolts on either end. I still have a fifth bolt that I haven't tightened down because I have to use a wire and put it in backwards kind of. But I got the four major ones in. I'm just tightening them down. And for some reason I couldn't find my socket to fit. I'm showing you a bad angle right now. Slowly, slowly, slowly. I'm going back and forth each side and I'm slowly tightening them down. Let's see, that one's loose because this one's the one that's always giving me more leverage. So slowly. See, this one's easy. This is the one I'm going to have trouble with right here. This one here. Tight. 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 Let me go to the other side. What I would do is to get it up there, I would rock it on this box. I was using this box. I had to try to find the right size box for me to leverage this on here. I got a bad angle on this side. The angle's not that great for me. Come on, Ron. Come on, come on, come on. All right. Come on, dude. I'm not doing this one very well. Let's try this one. Yeah, this is the loose one right here. Man, come on. There we go. Little bit by little bit. I recommend a socket, but for some reason I couldn't find my socket. My tools are always scattered about, and that's what you don't want. open it up. Come on. Come on. There we go. Finally. Alright. This one. Okay. This one. Man, I wish I had a socket. Alright. This one. Let's do it again. Alright. Here we go. Get on there. Okay. I know I'm meandering a little bit here. Alright, next, other side. Other side. Just going back and forth. Oops. I know. Now all of a sudden I can't get the leverage. Come on. I don't want to strip these bolts. Here we go. That's better. Better. Come on. Okay. I don't know this Crescent. I don't know. Maybe I'm lame with it. That's why I prefer the socket. All right. All right. Now, other side again. So, you just realize I'm going back and forth. Back and forth, back and forth. Sometimes when you go in the shop, they'll take the muffler off. To do this, I didn't need to take the muffler off. I just had to angle it in. That's why I bought the Curt brand, because it has a shorter. I'm not going to be pulling some major trailer, so I'm alright with this pitch. And it still has the same rating, but some of them have 3 bolts instead of 2. I guess on one side I have 3 bolts. Yeah, man, dude. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Okay, here we go. Get in there, dude. Get in there. Okay. Okay. Let me flip it the other way. There we go. Alright. And next, this one. Come on, dude. You're gonna be in the way, huh? That's why you need to get the right socket. This is trouble for me. I don't think I'll leave it at that. I'll tighten it up tomorrow. I'll drive around a little bit and then I'll retighten it up. Let it shake out a little bit.